In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export order history in Binance. If you need a copy of your past trades for record keeping, analysis, or tax reporting, Binance makes it fairly straightforward to download that information directly from your account. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, go to the Binance website and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one account or use different profiles on your browser. Once you're signed in, look at the top menu and click on Orders. This is where Binance keeps records related to your trading activity. From there, choose Spot Orders if you want your regular spot trading history. If you're specifically looking for futures activity instead, select Futures Orders. The option you choose here matters because Binance separates different types of trading records into different sections. After opening the appropriate area, go to the Order History or Trade History tab. Depending on what exactly you need, either of these may be useful. Order History usually shows the orders you placed, while Trade History focuses more on completed trades. If you're unsure, it can be helpful to check both so you export the right data. Next, set your date range. This allows you to control how much history you want to include in the export. For example, you might download a single month, a full year, or a custom time period. If needed, you can also choose a specific trading pair to narrow the results. That's especially useful if you only want transactions for one asset pair instead of your entire trading history. Once your filters are set, click Export. Binance will then prompt you to choose an export format, which is typically CSV. CSV is a common spreadsheet-friendly format, so it's usually the best choice if you want to open the file in Excel, Google Sheets, or accounting software. After selecting the format, confirm the export request. At this point, Binance will begin generating your file. Depending on the amount of data you requested, this may take a little time, so don't worry if it isn't available instantly. When the file is ready, go to Export Records and download it from there. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and refresh if needed. And that's it. You've successfully exported your